I know you're an Oregonian, so you don't need to have an umbrella in the rain.
Fucking rain ain't gonna hurt me.
You know what I hate most about the rain?
If I was worried about the rain hurt me, I wouldn't take a shower. What about the rain? Go ahead.
Well, it gets on my glasses and then I can't see.
I understand that part.
And if I take my glasses off, I can't see.
Maybe you need little visor things over.
Maybe. Remember that umbrella hat that I had?
Well, if you had a hat,
Yeah, maybe.
you put a hat on and it'd cover up your glasses. I know most guys wear hats with bills on them, or some kind of brim
Yeah.
and stuff. That doesn't stop it totally, but come on, people.
Yeah, let's get this show on the road, folks.
Let me see how many rigs they got there over there. Oh, where's the red phone?
I think they put it in the garage, don't they? Don't they have a garage?
I don't know. Last year they put it over there in Bob's.
Don't they have a tent there? Is that one of those tents in their yard?
Over by their front door.
Oh no, it's just a tarp.
That's a tarp over the rig.
Yeah.
But see, that's just it. He's got a trailer, he's got a pickup, he's got a car there, and then he's got how many different? He's got at least two golf carts. And then
I hear jingle bells. No, are they coming?
it's supposed to come from that way.
Are you here for the parade?
Yes, you certainly are.
Awesome!
No, they're going to start up there. And
They're starting at the hall up there.
starting at the hall and coming this way.
I think they're coming this way and then going through the park.
Oh, that makes sense.
I hope. I'm supposed to film them, so I'm assuming that that's where they're coming.
They probably told them.
That makes sense if they
Either one
start.
of the other, right?
Yeah. That would be the best way for them to come in, because I can stand underneath our deck here and...
No, they're coming this way.
Are they really?
So they told you totally different.
Oh, dummies.
Oh, here they come. Here comes
Oh, somebody has Christmas music going.
There we go.
Okay, you're gonna need to hold this umbrella, honey, so I can...
What?
His phone probably isn't waterproof.
Who?
Jim's. My GoPro kind of is, but I'm sure that his camera is not. You'll have to be close to me.
Oh, God. The things I do.
The things that you do, baby. Well, I'm not going to start filming until they start coming. I thought that guy was going to be the first.
No, I don't know. I don't even know who he is.
It was, I don't know, one of Santa's elves, obviously.
So I get pneumonia for this.
I hope not. Snuggle closer, I'll keep you warm.
There
Here
are.
they come. That noise is super annoying.
There.
Oh my goodness.
What
Person
the-
in the bike just got ahead of everybody else. They're gonna get my commentary too. Ho ho ho!
Shovel it, right?
That's right.
Oh, look at there. He's on it.
Who's this now?
It's Roy.
Oh.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Oh, is this Jim?
Yeah, that's Jim.
Ho ho ho! Oh my gosh, look at how many of them there are. Oh, there's the Grinch. The Grinch who stole Christmas. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Oh, look at this fancy one.
Except that
Oh my
fucking-
goodness. Hello, hello, hello. Ho, ho, ho. Oh my goodness gracious. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I like this can. Ho, ho, ho.
Is that it then, done?
I think that's it. Unless they come by again, but I think I'm gonna do it from a different angle if they do.
Well, they should have stopped and told you if they were.